Here's the thing about slides. The content is usually sitting right there in your notes or a report, but actually building the slide decks takes sometimes forever. So let's just skip that part. In this video, I'll show you how to turn your sources into a finished presentation in about a minute. The notebook I'm using has 3 sources in it. Deep research reports. I had a few AI tools write on how AI works and saved as PDFs, but you can drop in anything you want. Your own notes, a report, an article, a YouTube video, and it's free. So let's dive in. I'm in NotebookLM. It comes with your Gemini subscription, even your Google account. And if you have a pro subscription, you can add more sources, but everyone has access to this. So I just created a new notebook, called it How AI Works. So I'm just going to open that. And on the left here, we can see the sources I added. And these are selected, which means they can be used if I prompt. And it only will respond using the sources I give it. And of course, based on what I have selected, I can also do any of these studio features to the sources as well. So I'll just kind of collapse that a bit, and you can add sources, you can search the web for them, do a deep research right inside of NotebookLM powered by Gemini, and you can get various outputs. So what we're going to be focusing on in this video is the slide deck. So I have these sources selected, so it's going to use all of them. And then you can go to the right and go to slide deck, and I'm going to hit this arrow. And now we can choose detailed deck or presenter slides, default length or a short length. You can even adjust the language and describe the slide deck you want to create. So you'll have a templatized version of the following prompt that I just put here, just to give it some clear direction. And then all you have to do is hit generate. It's that easy. So as long as you have the sources you want selected, you hit generate and it creates it. So that's what I did right here. So how about we check it out? I'm going to click on this and you can adjust these. So I'll slide this over and this is it. I mean, my goodness, look at this thing. AI is a predictable machine and we have all these images, very clear text. It's very impressive. I mean, look at these designs. You can turn any source into a slide deck like this. Very professional. That is actually mind-blowing to me how good this is. The do's and the don'ts, and it goes on, and we have all these slides here. And you can view the prompt and the sources used by clicking this. You can hit the pencil and then you can revise it and say what changes you want per slide and just prompt it, whatever those changes are, which is amazing. And then hit generate to revise deck once you've put in all your changes. I'll exit out of there. Let me go back. By the way, if you get lost trying to choose which one is down here and you're a bit confused, just look for the icons that are the same. So same icon, this is a slide deck. But of course I can expand the view. So it's a full screen. I can even hit play and just go through how the slide deck is. And like this is just a very useful feature that you can leverage in any way that you want. And you can share it too. You can hit the 3 dots and you can download it as a PDF, as a PowerPoint, or delete it. And there's your first draft of a deck built from your own material in the time it takes to refill your coffee. At work, point this at your project notes and let it build the update deck for you, or feed it the research behind a pitch and start from a real draft instead of a blank slide. There's a full NotebookLM tool series in AI Lab if you want to go deeper. So now go build one from something on your desk.